the 5 tips that'll take you from level 1 to level 3 on any ATI Proctored exam. Tip number 1. The ingredients. 2 ingredients you absolutely need to succeed at any ATI Proctored exam you take are confidence and belief. Attempting to take any of these Proctored exams without these 2, it's like drinking Kool-Aid without sugar. Like, why would you do that? Tip number 2. The approach. You must grasp the concept and purpose of each subject by having a firm understanding of the following: critical thinking, evidence-based practice, clinical application, nursing process, and therapeutic communication. In addition, be sure to envision yourself as a nurse when approaching these subjects. Tip number 3. Doing practice questions. You need to be doing hella practice questions. The totality of these questions will come from the following: dynamic quizzes, standard quizzes, and practice assessments A and B. In addition, you will want to do approximately 50 to 75 questions per day. More exposures to questions will lead you to being more prepared. Tip number 4. Read the rationale. Reading the rationale for each question and each answer helps to unlock a deeper understanding for the material. Tip number 5. My ultimate study guides. By clicking on my With Koji link, you'll be able to gain exclusive access to my personal ATI study guides that has helped tons of people around the world get a level 3.
Step 2. Listen closely if you wanna get that test pass. 2 things you're gonna click on up in that test tab. Dynamic quizzes where you wanna put your head at. 60 question time, 7 days, that's some quick math. Few modes, I suggest to study as your eyes